Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these strawberry and white chocolate cupcakes. Let's begin. So to start, you'll want to grab yourself a mixing bowl, and into the mixing bowl place the butter and the sugar and beat the two together until they are lighter and fluffier in colour and consistency. You can then go ahead and give the bowl a good scraping down just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. You can then go ahead and add in your eggs and vanilla extract and beat them until they are fully incorporated. The mixture will loosen and this is completely normal. Then you can go ahead and give the bowl a good scraping down. As you can probably tell, the mixture curdled, and this is because it was meant to be muffins but they didn't rise how I wanted them, so they become cupcakes. Then you can go ahead and add in your dry ingredients, which is the flour, the salt and the baking powder, passing them through a sieve first just to remove any lumps, add in the white chocolate, then go ahead and add the strawberries as well, and just incorporate them all by folding them in using a spatula and being careful not to over mix the mixture. Go ahead and grab yourself a cupcake tin and just place some cupcake liners into it, and then you can start to fill the cases around 2/3 or 3/4 of the way full, whichever measurement works best for you. Just fill them and then you can place them into your preheated oven. All of that information will be on the blog post, which will be linked down below. So to make the buttercream, you'll want to grab yourself a large mixing bowl, and into the bowl place your butter, and then beat this for around 5 to 7 minutes on its own, just until it's lighter and fluffier in colour and consistency. Then go ahead and give the bowl a good scraping down just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. You can then go ahead and add in half of the icing sugar, and you'll just want to mix this until it's fully incorporated, and then repeat with the second batch. Again, just mix it until it's incorporated and the mixture looks lighter and fluffier. That's what you always want to go with buttercream. So with the buttercream you just made, take about half and place it into another bowl, then add in some strawberry jam. I used homemade, but feel free to use shop bought. But if you want to use the homemade one, I will leave a recipe for that down below. And then just incorporate the jam into the buttercream. You can then go ahead and place it into a piping bag which has been fitted with your nozzle of choice. Being careful not to overfill the piping bag. Grab your cupcakes and just core the centrate, and this is where you're going to fill the centre with some strawberry jam. So make sure you've got a lot of strawberry jam. So once your cupcakes have been filled with the strawberry jam, you can then take your piping bag and pipe your buttercream over the top of your cupcakes. Pipe as much or as little as you like, it's really up to you. I just went with the standard amount and did all 6 of my cupcakes. And an optional addition is to pipe over some white chocolate. I'm using white chocolate spread as I hadn't got any white chocolate to melt down, but I do recommend using melted white chocolate more than this. So thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again next week with some more recipes for you, so join me then. But in the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description of the video. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and a link to all my social media, so don't forget to go and check that out. Follow me over there and come and say hi. But that's all for today. Bye guys.